Bullish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 9 cents to 14 cents. Dogecoin cost could likewise reach 30 cents soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. In Dogecoin cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Doge to examine the future development of the digital money. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a famous image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a distributed and open-source cryptographic money. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement system that depends on the script calculation. This gives less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to handle a block, while in Dogecoin, the block time is 1 moment. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla chief Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his constant help for it appears to speed up huge cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. Dogecoin stands firm on the 8th footing on CoinGecko at this moment. Doge cost expectation 2023 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time period. The above graph of Dogecoin spread out the sliding channel design. Dropping channel design, otherwise called the falling channel. A dropping channel is framed by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. As of now, Dogecoin is in the scope of 7 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the opposition levels of 7 cents, 9 cents, and 13 cents. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of Doge might tumble to 6 cents. Dogecoin backing and opposition levels. The graph underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. From the above everyday time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Dogecoin. The outlines show that Dogecoin has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at 14 cents. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Dogecoin could fall to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Dogecoin is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Doge lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Dogecoin is displayed in the outline above. Outstandingly, Dogecoin cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. At present, Doge has entered a negative state. Thusly, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Doge whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the Doge is 51.64. This implies that Dogecoin is in an overbought state, in this manner affirming a potential sell signal. Dogecoin value expectation 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Dogecoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Dogecoin. Presently, the ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 9.47 and consequently, it shows a frail pattern. The above outline likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record of Dogecoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Doge lies over 50, showing high unpredictability. Examination of Doge with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activities of Doge is a comparable pattern concerning BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments, the cost of Doge increments. What's more, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of Doge diminishes. Dogecoin value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while determining costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. We should actually look at what Dogecoin will cost somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Dogecoin value forecast 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Dogecoin could likely achieve $1 by 2024. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. With a few redesigns in the organization, Dogecoin could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Doge could mobilize to hit $3 by 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. If Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Doge would mobilize to hit $5. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. If Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Doge would revitalize to hit $7. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Doge would mobilize to hit $9. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Dogecoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Doge would hit $11 in 2029. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. In the event that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, it would observe significant spikes. Doge could hit $13 by 2030. And with constant upgrades in the Dogecoin organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Doge. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Dogecoin in 2023 is 14 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Dogecoin cost forecast for 2023 is 4 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Dogecoin environment, the presentation of Doge would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents very soon. However, it could likewise reach 30 cents assuming the financial backers accept that Doge is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the trailblazer memecoin that hit the business sectors in late 2013. It was conceived out of a viral canine image. Dogecoin network was a fork of Litecoin. 2. Where could you at any point buy Dogecoin? Dogecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bitfinex. 3. Will Dogecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Dogecoin stage, Doge has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Dogecoin? On May 8, 2021, Dogecoin arrived at its new all-time high of 73 cents. 5. Is Dogecoin a wise interest in 2023? Dogecoin is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Dogecoin in the beyond couple of months, Doge is viewed as a wise interest in 2023. 6. Could Dogecoin reach 30 cents? Dogecoin is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Dogecoin will hit 30 cents soon. 7. What will be Dogecoin cost by 2024? Dogecoin cost is supposed to reach $1 by 2024. 8. What will be Dogecoin cost by 2025? Dogecoin cost is supposed to reach $3 by 2025. 9. What will be Dogecoin cost by 2026? Dogecoin cost is supposed to reach $5 by 2026. 10. What will be Dogecoin cost by 2027? Dogecoin cost is supposed to